Current in a current carrying wire is 1.5 ampere. Number of free electrons per unit volume is 8.10 to the power meter cube, and the area of cross section is 5 millimeter square. Drift velocity of electron will be 0.2 millimeter per second. Option 2, 2 millimeter per second. Option 3, 0.2 millimeter per second. Option 4, none of these. So the solution is I is equal to E and A VD, relation between VI and VD. So VD is I upon EMA, which is equal to 1.5, and E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus negative into N is equal to 5 and 10 to the power minus 6, and A is 8 into 10 to the power 28, which is equal to 0.02.